Sige, ganito na lang. Para simple, ako na lang magbibigay ng dance.
Gusto ko yan.
Maganda yan.
Ang palaging nagte-trend.
Oh. Eh, 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 eh.
And if you hear this song, then go on your back, go on your knees, baby, shake it to the left. It's not the to this turn, not the this to the left. It's not the this, just remember, let me shake it to the left. It's not the turn to the left. Shake it to the left.
Miss Marian.
Ay, nako.
But wait, there's more. Kasi merong twist yan.
Ano yan?
May twist. Yung dance step na yan ay gagawin nyo habang nagcha-Chinese garter. Yes, yan ang category. Category is Chinese garter.
Okay. Pwesto na. Pwesto ng aking team. Okay, ang pipina.
Bawal sa religion
Okay,
namin yung
pipina. Music, please. Ready? Wait! Chinese garter. Oy! Okay, pwede.
Go. Go nga, go.
Oy! Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
You!
Hey, 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 hey.
Nagpapa! Wala! Hoy! Hoy!
Hey, hey,
Hoy!
Ula.
Dance authority.
Wala!
Okay po. Okay, finish na.
Buhay ka pa!